Maneuvering through Muddles. Mastering Q&A techniques in public speaking. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting topic. Handling difficult or unexpected questions during a public presentation. This topic is essential for anyone who aspires to excel in public speaking or simply wants to improve their verbal communication skills. So, let's jump right into it. Questions can be straightforward, tricky, challenging, or unexpected. They are a vital part of any dialogue or presentation, as they help deepen understanding and foster interaction. In the context of public speaking, being prepared to handle any type of question is a valuable skill. Remember, there's no such thing as a wrong question. When faced with a tough question, our first instinct might be to respond quickly. However, it's important to learn the art of pausing. Take a moment to process the question before you answer. This shows your audience that you take their queries seriously and it gives you time to formulate a thoughtful response. If a question is not clear, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. Saying something like, "Could you please rephrase the question?" or "Can you please elaborate on that point?" shows that you're engaged and committed to providing a thorough answer. No matter how difficult the question is, try to answer with confidence. If you don't know the answer, it's okay to admit it. You might say, "I'm not sure about that, but I will find out and get back to you." This honesty builds trust and respect with your audience. Sometimes, you might face a question that is off-topic or not relevant. In these cases, you can redirect the question back to the audience or to your presentation's topic. A statement like, "That's an interesting question. How do you think it relates to our topic today?" can help keep the conversation focused. And there you have it. These are some effective techniques for handling difficult or unexpected questions in public speaking. Remember, the goal is not to have all the answers, but rather to engage with your audience and to communicate effectively. I hope you found these tips helpful. Until next time, keep practicing and improving your verbal communication skills.